Okay, so in this video, let's take a look at another ratio problem. In this question, it says Alice and Bob jointly had money in the ratio of 3 to 4. They decided to buy a meal and spend at a ratio of 2 to 3. Alice spent half of her money and Bob had 21 pounds left. Find the price of the meal. So question says originally Alice and Bob had money in the ratio of 3 to 4. We can start from there. Okay, let's assume originally Alice had 3 parts of money. Alice had 3 parts of money. Then Bob would have 4 parts of the money. Okay, so that their money are in the ratio of 3 to 4. When they buy the meal, Alice spent half of her money. Okay, because Alice had 3 parts, and her contribution would be 1.5 parts, 1.5 parts. Okay, 1.5 parts of the money. Okay. 1.5 is decimal number. It's not easy for calculation. So we can try different combinations to make it integer. Okay. So we want to start from the second rule. Let's assume Alice originally had 6 parts of money. 6 parts of money. Then Bob would have 8 parts of money. Okay, 8 parts of money. So that their money are in the ratio 3 to 4. Could Alice contribute half of her money for the meal? So her contribution would be 3 parts. 3 parts for the money. Okay, her contribution would be 3 parts of money. Okay, when they buy the meal, President says they decide to buy the meal at the ratio of 2 to 3. That means Bob's contribution would be 1.5 times of Alice's contribution. Okay, so Alice's contribution is 3 parts, then Bob's contribution would be 4.5 parts. Okay, again, 4.5 is decimal number. That said, it's not easy for calculation. So we will try another different combinations, okay, to make our calculation easier. Okay, and the third rule, let's assume originally Alice had 12 parts of money. Okay, and Bob would have 16 parts of money. Okay, so that the money are in the ratio of 3 to 4. 12 to 16 is 3 to 4. Alice's contribution to the meal is half of her money. So originally Alice had 12 parts, then her contribution to the meal would be 6 parts. It's 6 parts. So when they buy the meal, Alice and Bob spend at the ratio of 2 to 3. Okay, so Bob's contribution is 1.5 times Alice's contribution. So Alice's contribution is 6 parts, then Bob's contribution would be 9 parts. Okay, so after they buy the meal, Alice would have 6 parts of money left. 6 parts of money left, and Bob would have 16 minus 9, that is 7 parts. Okay, 7 parts of money left. Okay, so this is the third rule. Let's go over the number one more time. Originally, Alice had 12 parts of money, and Bob had 16 parts of money. Alice contributed 6 parts of the money for the meal, and Bob contributed 9 parts of money for the meal. So after the meal, Alice had 6 parts of money left, and Bob had 7 parts of the money left. Okay, and the question says after they buy the meal, Bob had 21 pounds left. Okay, that means 7 parts of the money must equal to 21 pounds. Okay, so we can get 1 part of money. 1 part of money must equal to 3 pounds. Okay, so 1 part of money must equals 3 pounds. Okay, so when they buy the meal, Alice contributes 6 parts. That is 18 pounds. That is 18 pounds. Because each part is 3 pounds, and Bob's contribution is 9 parts. That is 27 pounds. 27 pounds. 3 times 9 is 27. So the cost of the meal. Would be, so cost of the meal would be 18 pounds, that is Alice's contribution, plus 27, that is Bob's contribution. So 18 from Alice plus 27 from Bob, that equals 45 pounds. Okay, so the price of the meal is 45 pounds. If you have any question about the problem, feel free to contact me either by email or WeChat. Thanks for watching.